Morning time, my people. Morning time. Morning time. Prayer in the mighty name of King David. Start off the morning. See? Yeah, kick it off. As I can look and see my people, the glory of Daddy a pitch off already. See, be a glory down on my business place, so no come down here. That me I telling them people. And the morning start turn over already, son, like a lie me I tell. Watch this. Bust a prayer for them. Bust a prayer for me, pray for them in the mighty name. Mighty name. Blessed love my Lord and Empress. Jamacia, Jah, Rastafari, Abachachio, Beseme, Yemen, Nor. Blessed love my Lord and Empress, Sata Masagana, Amla, Ulu, Gize. Prayer in the mighty name of King David. As you can see, Daddy glory no left me, my people. I be a light, Daddy a shine for me from the day me born out of my mother home. That me I tell you now. So watch this. Come for glory, my people. Come for glory down here. The glory is not for sale. It was ordained by the true and living God. That's why I'm telling you, if you come down here and come buy the things them that the glory can detect in our vehicle or our home. Who don't want to come, you don't have to come. I don't force nobody if you come. I take popping enough for our years. When you come down here, you can walk on a Moses tent. Look, my people, look. So me I tell them now, my people, when you come down here for glory, walk on a Moses tent. Walk on a my tent. When you come down and come walk on a Moses tent, my people, and them said sitting at the down a Moses tent and watch the 10 commandments. See? And if you tune in, subscribe to my TV station, Sinai TV station. That's all I don't have to type in. I only can see the 10 commands. Sinai 10 command. Not 10 commandments, 10 command. See? So come on down. Come on down. A lot of stain wrap and things in store for you. Look a bit, my people, a little short one. Prayer service in the mighty name of King David. Blessed love, my people. Blessed love.